Tai Pākeke Wahine. Our first nominee, Chance Hukarere Stevenson Oliver. Ngāti Kahungunu Ngāti Parau descent. Chance was the Victoria Motorcycle Bridgestone Winter Series Junior Rider of the Year. She is the Garth Spooner Memorial Trophy first place, and Chance had the oldest bike in the competition where the clutch slipped, multiple gears and engine failed. She must have been like Wilma Flintstone or something. Me. 2017 VMCC Bridgestone Winter Series President's Award for Commitment and Passion. 2017 New Zealand Nationals. One meet she placed 4th, and another meet she placed 6th. She was last year's, as you know, the Whaiora Wairarapa Maori Women's Sportswoman of the Year. Kia ora, Chance. Henny Metcalf Morris. Henny is of Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngai Tūmapahia Rangi, Ngāti Raukawa and Ngāti Toa Rangatira. She is part of this year's Dalefield Women's Wellington Regional team, where they were the winners of that competition. 2017 Under-21 New Zealand Māori representative, and the 2017 Tāki Timu Women's A team. Kia ora, Henny. Cindy Karatiana. No whānau of Cindy's here? Kia ora. Cindy is of Ngāti Kahungunu Rangitane descent. She was in the mixed pairs of the Sun City Darts, where they placed first, in the women's pair of the same tournament, where she placed first also, and in the Nelson Marlborough League Darts Tri-Series Second Division, she placed first also. Kia ora, Cindy. This trophy is sponsored by Wairarapa District Health Board, and if I could ask Janine to come forward, please. Kia ora.
Ka tautoko tēnei nā mihi ki a koutou, te pūmanawa o Whaiora. Kia tātou katoa tēnā rau atu, mai te puari hauora o Wairarapa, anei te kaitoa. Henny Metcalf Morris.
I'd like to thank my family over there, in that corner over there, for the support. My uncle Pete, Mr. Seafood in Palmy, he's been my sponsor since I started hockey. And yeah, my boyfriend Wiremu over there, and Cody. Kia ora.